Hello once again, and welcome back to Taste Cabinet. Are you ready to take your cooking and health game to the next level? Let me introduce you to Mahleb, the unsung hero of the spice world. This tiny seed is packed with flavor, history, and health benefits. Let's dig in. Mahleb, also spelled Mahlab or Mahlepi, comes from the seeds of the St. Lucie cherry tree, Prunus Mahleb. Native to the Mediterranean and the Middle East, this spice has been treasured for centuries. Its name might vary, Mahalepi in Greece, Mahlab in Arabic, but its magic stays the same. Fun fact, it's the aromatic kernel hiding inside cherry stones. Who knew cherries had such a spicy secret? Let's talk flavor. Mahleb is like a symphony of nutty, slightly bitter almond, with a subtle cherry sweetness. Imagine the perfect marriage between marzipan and vanilla, with a hint of spice. It's warm, comforting, and exotic, a flavor you didn't know your kitchen needed. Mahleb isn't just about taste, it's about wellness. Rich in antioxidants, it's believed to improve heart health and stabilize blood sugar levels. It also contains coumarin, a compound with anti-inflammatory properties that might help soothe aching joints. And let's not forget its digestive benefits, making it a go-to for holistic health enthusiasts. Here's why foodies and health fanatics love it. Mahleb is a great source of calcium for strong bones, potassium for a healthy heart, and vitamin E for radiant skin. Plus, it provides a boost of protein and fiber. Not bad for a tiny seed, right? Pro tip: use half a teaspoon of freshly ground Mahleb for every cup of flour in your dough. But don't stop at bread. Add a pinch to custards, rice puddings, or even ice cream. Feeling adventurous? Sprinkle it over yogurt with honey for a gourmet touch, or mix it into your morning coffee for a flavor boost. Mahleb is best bought as whole seeds to preserve its flavor. When you're ready to use it, grind only what you need. Trust me, the difference in aroma and taste is worth the effort. And remember, a little goes a long way. Did you know Mahleb has been around for over 2,000 years? Once upon a time, it was more precious than gold in spice markets. Today, it's a beloved yet under-the-radar ingredient, waiting for you to rediscover its magic. So, whether you're a seasoned cook, a health enthusiast, or a curious foodie, Mahleb deserves a spot in your pantry. From boosting your bakes to enriching your health, it's a spice that truly does it all. Mahleb, a tiny seed with a big story. Ready to taste the tradition? Try it today. Well, that's another wrap for today. If you found the information in this short video informative, please like and subscribe to our growing community. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.